Did you know your name is the most important word in the world to you?
Wait, what? My name? Lucas?
Yes, Lucas. When you hear the word Lucas, your brain wakes up. It lights up.
Oh, wow, yeah. I mean, if someone says Lucas in a noisy room, I look. I always look.
Exactly. But here is the problem. English learners, they feel very scared to talk about their names.
Scared? Why scared? It is just a name.
Because spelling is hard and, pronunciation, saying the name right.
Oh, right. When someone says my name wrong, I hate that.
We all hate it. So today, we are talking about your name, how to say it, spell it, and, share it.
Okay, I am ready, Luna. Teach me.
First thing, in English, we have a first name and a last name.
First name, last name. Got it. So Lucas is my first name.
Right. And your last name is your family name.
Family name. Wait, so the name I share with my mom and dad?
Yes, exactly. It is think of a team. The last name is the team name.
Oh, the team name. I like that. So I am Team Smith. Lucas Smith.
Perfect. Lucas is the player. Smith is the team.
Player Lucas on Team Smith. That is really easy to remember.
But wait, it gets a little messy.
Messy? How? It is just two names.
Sometimes people have a middle name.
A middle name? Why?
I don't know. It is just an extra name in the middle. You don't use it every day.
So it is a secret name?
Kind of. My full name is Luna Marie Jones.
Marie, that is pretty. So do I call you Luna Marie?
No, just Luna. You only use the middle name on important papers.
Oh, okay. That is weird, but okay.
Let's talk about nicknames. This is very important.
Nicknames? Is that a fake name?
No, not fake. It is a short name, a friendly name.
Friendly name. Okay, give me an example.
If your name is Robert, your nickname might be Rob or Bob.
Wait, Bob? How do you get Bob from Robert?
English is crazy, Lucas. I don't make the rules.
That makes no sense. Robert, Bob. Okay.
It is buying coffee. Robert is the large coffee. Bob is the small coffee.
Oh, Bob is the small coffee. It is faster to say.
Exactly. People are lazy. We want to say names fast.
Okay, so what about my name, Lucas? Can I have a small coffee name?
Well, your name is already short, but maybe Luke?
Luke. Yeah, some friends call me Luke.
See? Luke is your nickname.
Okay, I get it now. But Luna, what if my name is hard to say?
Good question. Many people have names from other countries.
Yeah, and English speakers, they say it wrong a lot.
Yes, they do. So you have two choices.
Only two? Okay, what are they?
Choice 1. You teach them how to say it. You say, please listen. It is said like this.
That sounds hard. What if they still say it wrong?
Then you try choice 2. You use an English name.
Ah, an English name, like choosing a new name just for school or work?
Yes, many students do this. It is easier.
But isn't it sad to change your name?
Sometimes. You don't have to do it. It is just a choice.
Right. If I love my name, I will teach people to say it.
Exactly. Be proud of your name.
But wait, what if they ask me to spell it? That is the worst.
Oh, spelling, yes. Let's talk about spelling next. It is a big problem.
Please, I always forget the alphabet when people ask me.
I know, Lucas. It is your brain just stops working.
Literally. Someone says, how do you spell that? And I'm like, A, B, dog?
Yes, but wait, dog is perfect. That is the secret.
What? Dog is the secret?
Using easy words to help spell, like A is an apple.
Oh, A is an apple. I hear that in movies.
Exactly, because letters sound the same, like B and P or M and N.
M and N are the worst. On the phone, they sound exactly the same.
Right. So if your name is Nina, you say N as in Nancy.
Or N as in no.
Yes. Wait, maybe not. No. Nancy is better.
Oh, right, because no sounds angry.
Right. So you use names or easy things. B as in boy. P as in Peter.
P as in pizza? Can I say pizza?
Yes, everyone knows pizza. It is a great example.
Okay, so let me try. My name is Lucas.
Okay, spell Lucas for me. Use the trick.
L as in lion.
Good. L as in lion. Next.
U as in umbrella.
Perfect. Very clear.
C as in cat, A as in apple, S as in snake.
Wow, Lucas. Lion, umbrella, cat, apple, snake. It is like a zoo.
A zoo with an umbrella and an apple.
Yes, but you know what? I understood you perfectly.
It is so easy. Why didn't I do this before?
Because we get nervous. When someone asks, spell your name, we panic.
We do. It feels like a test, a very bad test.
Right. So you need to practice your name at home.
Wait, practice my own name?
Yes. Write it down. Pick a word for every letter.
Oh, like a cheat sheet.
Exactly. Keep it in your phone.
That is really smart, Luna.
So when the coffee shop asks for your name,
I am ready. No more wrong names on my coffee cup.
wait, what was the funniest name you got on a cup?
Oh, they wrote luggage.
Luggage? Like a bag for travel?
Yes. How is Lucas luggage? I don't know.
That is so bad, but so funny.
I was so sad. I just drank my coffee quietly.
Poor luggage.
Hey, stop it.
Okay, so listeners, here is your homework.
Ooh, homework time. Let's go.
Look at your name. Find one easy English word for every letter.
Like A as in apple, very easy words.
Yes, say it out loud. Practice it.
And test it at the coffee shop.
Good idea. Tell us if they get it right.
What if they still write luggage?
Then you need to find a new coffee shop, Lucas.
Fair enough. That is fair.
What is your favorite word to use? Tell us in the comments.
Mine is pizza. P as in pizza always wins.
Of course it is.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, follow us right here at English Pod Center for more easy English tips.
See you next time. Bye.